This is a short video on how to operate the Minnesota AF2 demo case that I built. It has an airflow sensor and an edge computer, and all the information, IP address and passwords are in this Word document, which I will send to the users and also include on a USB stick with the demo case. So look for that demo case, but I will send out this document too. To get started, we'll open up a browser and get to the web page of the airflow sensor. You hit run down here, and the password for maintenance is airflow sensor, airflow sensor, one word, all lowercase. If you have the newer firmware version, which typically is more blue than orange, would be up on the run command and change to maintenance that I'm doing right now would be on the upper right. And when you get to this, you have the option to use simulation just in case you don't have compressed air connected. If you're in a presentation room and you need to simulate, you use this. This is what I'm going to use later on to show different flow rates. And I'm going to switch over to the page where I'm showing the actual programming of Node-RED and the user interface. So if you notice, I'm going to go and lower the airflow to 10%, and you immediately would see the flow drop. If I do this to this same on pressure, you will see the pressure drop, and the chart also reflects that. So if I go, before I start um, the demonstration or audit, if there isn't previous important data that need to be kept, I will go to this page by opening another browser window and punch in 192.168.0.72, and then I will just click this, and you would see I cleaned everything up there. Be careful with this, because if you have any previous data that you want to keep, you will lose that data. So uh, be careful with this. I will actually name it clear previous data. Okay, that's cleaned out. So immediately as you plug in air, you will start recording. As you could see here, data's coming in already. I will go back and change. If you need to change the amount of data that you need to send per second, you go back to the web page and go to MQTT. And over here, you will see down here that I can change it to, let's say, 100. That's the lowest, that's the highest read rate, 10 times a second. Okay, so once you click out of there, it automatically starts doing that. And we could see from the data it's going very fast. I don't know if the video is capturing it, but yes. So all you need to do to start capturing the data is actually switch it on. Switch it on and go and clean out the database, and you're good to go. It starts recording. And I can show you that by going to, let's see, I have Grafana open already. You can go to Grafana, and from Grafana, it will start also showing the data.